Hello everyone, welcome back to Vision Android, and in this video we will see how we can create custom alert dialog. So let's get started. So for this we need a layout. So I'm going to create a new layout file, and I'm going to give this name as custom dialog view. Okay, it's created. Now I choose split mode, and I'm going to remove this constraint layout, and I prefer relative layout. Okay, now simply click Ctrl Alt L to reformat all the codes, and within our linear relative layout I'm going to use a linear layout. Width is match parent and height is wrap content, and I choose orientation as horizontal. Fine. And within our linear layout we use a progress bar. So progress bar height and width both are wrap content, and I provide some padding, so 5 dp it's good, and that's all. And after that I'm going to create a text view of width is wrap content. Okay, I create this height is match parent. Fine. And now I'm going to give a text to our text view. So this is processing, yes, and text size is 15 sp is good, and text color is black. So yes, this one. Okay, so I put gravity, so we have okay, so this one, cause we have our height is match parent, so we don't choose layout gravity, we simply choose gravity. So make this at center. Fine. Okay, now I am going to set layout weight, which is 1, and similarly for our progress bar. So it will distribute equal space for these two things, our progress bar and our text view. So fine, this is our custom dialog view, and now I am going in our main activity. So first I am going to our layout activity main, and within our activity main layout, first I am going to change this as a relative layout, and then after I create a button. So button both width and height is wrap content, and I provide some text. It says open dialog. Fine. And I'm going to give some ID, and my ID is open dialog. Fine, everything is set now. Okay, so I make this center in parent, so it looks good. And now I am going in our main activity.kotlin file, and I am create a variable to refer our button. So find view by ID, and this is our button r.id.open dialog, that's fine. And I am going to attach a set on click listener to our button. So set on, so we have to import this. Fine, set on click listener, just wait for recommendation, yes, this one. And now I am going to create a dialog box, or you can say alert dialog. So alert dialog dot builder, and within this builder I am going to pass our context, so this main activity, yes. And okay, so before showing this thing you create a inflator. So inflator layout inflator dot, you can say here inflate, we have so many options, so choose this first inflate. So r dot layout dot our custom layout. So in my case it is custom underscore dialog underscore view dot xml. So I choose this one, and second parameter pass null to it. Fine. So now I am going to set our view, which is Inflator. Okay, now I am going to show this, and that's all. I am going to run our application. Okay, you can find all these codes in my repository, GitHub repository. I will provide the link to the description box. You can go and check it from there. Okay, so our application will run successfully. So now when I click this open dialog button, you can see our dialog, custom dialog, LR dialog will appear here. So that's all for this video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, do like, and thank you. We will meet in our next video.